Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I would like to show you a classy belly bun but with a middle parting. So we're going to start by parting the hair in the middle of the head, and then I'm taking right over the ear the section until the half of the head, so it's half of the crown hair and the sides just right above the ear that I'm separating. Here you see the line that goes from behind the ear until the top of the head. We're going to clip this hair away. Then I'm doing exactly the same thing on the other side. When you see that your part line is not straight, just correct it, like I just did it. And then you take this hair and you also clip it out of the way. Now we're going to make the bun on the height of above the ear and well centered, so take your middle parting as a guideline. Grab the remaining hair together and tie it in a ponytail that is exactly at the height where you want your bun base to be. I'm using those soft elastics because when you have to rehearsal and to dance during some hours with this bun, you don't want to have a hair tie that is hurting your head, so I always go with these soft ones and really made good experience with it. Tighten the ponytail, and now you see this is exactly on the height of above the ear and centered like the middle parting. Remove the hair clips and bring down the hair from the top. Now grab the left hand side, take another hair tie, fix this part of the hair to your base of the ponytail, and then do exactly the same thing on the other side. You can always attach some hair gel, hairspray, whatever is convenient for you, whatever you need to have a sleek and clean outcome. Especially when you do this like me here for a ballet show, then you want to have some hair gel that keeps everything in place, or some hair wax actually, because here in Spain we're sweating a lot during the shows and with all the lights on the stage. So here you see middle parting, and now we're taking those hair clips that I love to use when I'm doing a bun, and I'm taking 3 strands because my mannequin has a lot of hair. It's really very similar to Tensita's hair. That's why I love this mannequin, and I'm very thankful to L'Image that gave that to me so that I could practice. And you see, I'm bringing the hair clips to this wrapped strand always this way to the head. Just insert it and then move it. Don't stick into the head, just go in direction of the base of the ponytail. And now I'm taking the second strand, do the same direction. I also wrap it around. We want a big bun, not a thick bun, so it should be more the surface that covers later the head, not a big ball. Make sure you insert as many pins as you need to hold everything in place. And a belly dance, they are turning, jumping, and we want this to hold the whole time in place. Now the last strand, you see I'm just going straight up. It always depends to the hair. You want to have a symmetric style, that means the volume should be all over the same. You always can adjust later when you bring in some more pins. In this case, we are using again a hairnet to make sure everything is covered and stays in place. I did not very well see where I was attaching the net, and I had to correct it. Please remind that you get these nets always also in the color of the hair from your model. And I'm bringing it around twice, and then the rest of the hairnet I am hiding under the bun. Here you see when you, like me, did not attach it correctly. Just bring the hair clip over the net with a part of the bun hair, and then you don't see it anymore. This is our final result. A classy bun just wrapped around the base of the ponytail. Important for this style was the middle parting, and I just wanted to show you the little trick. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.